Passports, check. Ready to go.
Sammy, stay.
Oh, dear. That's a shame. You've never been away before. And neither has Digger. I think he was looking forward to it. See? Digger was so excited to go, he even packed himself away in my suitcase.
Digger! I think Digger would make great sandcastles at the beach. Maybe Digger would like splashing in the sea like you do. Yahoo! But I think Digger would be very lonely in holidays if you stayed at home. Who would he play with?
Who would Digger share his holiday ice cream with?
Me! My cream!
I think Sammy Go likes ice cream almost as much as I do. I wonder, will they have raspberry ripple at the beach? Now, where did I put my sunglasses? It's time to get going.
Ready!
It certainly looks like it.
Don't forget to send us a postcard.
Looks like someone might be excited to go on holiday after all.
Maya, holiday, go now! Yes, Sammy. Just waiting for... Ta-da!
No jumper?
Where we're going, we won't need jumpers, Mama Go. And I think I've caught that holiday feeling. Anyone for a sunny sing-song?
Sing-song? Nothing like a good holiday sing-song.
Holidays, holidays, so much fun.
Sandcastles, ice cream in the sun.
Splash in the pool, stay up late.
Holiday, holiday, we can't wait.
The Go family arrive at the school, ready to start making some pottery. Miss Teach is about to get started.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the pottery class. Today, we'll be making things out of clay.
Mud!
That's right. Now, everybody, please follow my instructions very carefully. Dip your hands in the water and then push your foot on the pedal. That makes the pottery wheel spin around.
Oh.
Ah.
Now, using your wet hands, you can mold the clay into any shape you like. Careful now. Hold on to the clay. You're doing it. You need to be careful, but also confident.
It's not as easy as it sounds.
I'm going to start making my swan now, Mama.
Oh, lovely. I'm making a bowl, I think.
Whoa, you're really good at this, Dada.
Well, I might have done a little pottery when I was younger.
Your swan looks interesting, Maya.
It looks like it has an elephant's trunk, but your bowl is all wobbly too, Mama.
You're right, Maya.
Sammy looks like he's having the most fun. Mud, pop!
Pottery does look like a lot of fun.
Keep it up, everybody. Remember to use a steady hand, but don't be shy.
Your vase looks fantastic, Dada. Right now we're going on a big adventure to the future, where you're all grown up.
I'm not sure they heard you, Mya Go.
I think they're happy doing what they're doing.
But they haven't even tried my game yet.
That's toddlers for you. I'll make some lunch.
Sammy, this is a real Digger chair. Why don't you try it out? This is the control lever. Close your eyes. You're inside a real digger, scooping up rocks. Vroom, 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 vroom. Hold on tight. This is very heavy.
Oh, well done, Sammy. I don't think I could operate a big digger like that.
Your turn, Jamie. Close your eyes. You're flying an airplane through the clouds.
I think you'll make a great pilot one day, Jamie Make.
Hello, birds. My turn. My turn. Here's your steering wheel. Make sure you stay on the tracks.
Your train is full of passengers, Melissa Scher.
Toot, toot.
You must be taking them somewhere exciting.
But what about Danny Play?
Oh, I think he likes banging pots.
Danny, there are lots of things you can be when you grow up, like an ambulance driver, like Grandma Help. firefighter, where you have to be really brave and ride along in the fire truck. Wee-oo.
Don't worry, Maya. When I was small, all I wanted to do was play the drums.
Do you want to make music, Danny?
I think Mya Go has an idea.
Danny play drums!
I wonder how Mama Go and Sammy are getting on. Since when has your mouth been a basket, Sammy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
At least someone's doing it properly. Oh, not you as well, Mama Go.
Right. Time to finish before the sprinklers turn on to water the strawberry.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen.
Quick, everyone! Run before we get very wet!
Oh dear. I must get Henry Fix over to take a look at those sprinklers. Thank you, Maisie Grow, for letting us pick the strawberries. Now, how did everyone get on?
Oh, I didn't get that many. Me neither. But I found loads.
We all did, but I'm afraid we ate more than we picked.
Nobody told me we could eat the strawberries. Do we have enough for Dada to make his jam?
I don't think so. We'll have to tell him the bad news. Come on, everyone.
Cheeky, Tommy Stop. We're back at Maya's house now with a lot of empty strawberry baskets.
Hello, everyone. How was the strawberry picking?
Yummy and tummy.
Yes, I'm afraid we have something to tell you.
We're sorry, Dada, but we ate most of the strawberries we picked. Except me. I collected all of mine. But the rest of us didn't. And now we don't have enough for you to make your lovely jam. Huh? Aren't you upset?
Oh, not at all. You're meant to eat them. That's what strawberry picking is all about.
But you don't have strawberries for your jam now.
That is true. But we do have raspberries. Penny Spend had a lot in her shop, so I bought them all. So we're making Grandma Fix's raspberry jam as well.
Ah!
What? What is it?
It's cold, Dada.
What did you expect? It's the sea. It's always a little cold, but it's fine once you get used to it. Oh.
See?
Yes, it does seem to be very cold.
What did you expect? It's February.
But winter is the best time to come to the beach. We have the whole place to ourselves. Selves.
Dada's right. There's loads we can do on the beach. Like cricket.
Exactly.
Quidditch? Yes. I'll throw the ball to Dada.
I'll hit it with the bat.
And Sammy, you try and catch it.
Beach cricket, great fun. Oh, nice batting. Oh,
Oops. Sorry, Sammy.
Never mind. Maybe we can get another ball from the shop. Oh, it's closed.
When does it open?
June.
Oh, that's a long time from now.
I know. Let's make sandcastles.
Oh, dear. We can't build sandcastles with no sand.
Do you have any ideas, Dada?
We could sunbathe.
I don't think so. Quidditch?
What? We can't play cricket with a stone, Sammy. That'd be very dangerous. Besides, this is too flat to be anything like a ball. It's more like a skimming stone.
A skimming stone? What's that?
I'll show you. If you find a nice, round, flat stone like this one, you can make it bounce on the water. Like this.
Wow. How do you do that?
It's a bit like a frisbee, Maya. And when you throw, you give it a last little push with your finger to make it spin. Well, you've got to practice a wee bit, Maya. You can't expect to be as good as your old Dada straight away.
I think I held the record for the most skims, Dada.
Not for much longer, Mama Go. A new record.
Yes! I did it!
Very good, Maya. You're now officially a first-class stone skimmer.
Shall we skim some more? I could do this all day.
we should probably be getting home. It's a bit chilly for Sammy there.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
La la bum.